Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Jb Weld Steel is probably one of the most versatile and powerful epoxy repair compounds available on the market today, capable of bonding to a wide range of materials including steel, iron, aluminum, and even concrete, making it an indispensable tool for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, and tradespeople alike who need a reliable solution for fixing broken parts, filling gaps, or even creating custom fabrications with its impressive strength and durability. Number 5. Jb Weld 8276 KwikWeld Epoxy. Meet the fast-setting epoxy that offers strong, lasting repairs. It's perfect for all your household, automotive, marine, and craft projects. After a simple 1:1 mix, it sets in just 6 minutes and fully cures in 4 to 6 hours. You can then tap, fill, sand, mold, or drill it as needed. This steel-reinforced formula boasts a tensile strength of 3,127 psi and can handle temperatures up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. It's waterproof and resistant to chemicals. It adheres exceptionally well to metal, plastic, PVC, wood, concrete, ceramic, tile, fiberglass, and more. Get dependable, long-lasting repairs with this versatile epoxy. It's the go-to solution for a wide range of applications. Once cured, it provides a clean, dark gray finish that blends well with many materials. What we like. This one sets in just 6 minutes and cures in a few hours. If you need a quick fix for household, automotive, or marine repairs and want to get on with your day, this is the one. Its versatility means it's great for almost any DIY project. What people say. This stuff is amazing, it holds up to heat and pressure. It is a very strong adhesive that works on metal. It is easy to mix and apply and dries to a hard, gray finish. Number 4. Jb Weld 8281 Steel Reinforced Epoxy. Discover the professional 5-ounce tubes of our original cold weld epoxy system. It was designed as a powerful alternative to traditional welding methods. This product creates strong, lasting repairs on a multitude of surfaces. It forms a bond that is actually stronger than steel itself. Perfect for your DIY household projects, automotive repairs, marine needs, and even craft projects. It's incredibly versatile for all your repair needs. After a simple 1:1 mixing ratio, it sets in 4 to 6 hours and fully cures in 15 to 24 hours. Once cured, you can easily tap, fill, sand, mold, and drill it. It's steel-reinforced, offering a tensile strength of 5,020 psi and can withstand extreme temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also waterproof and resistant to chemicals. This epoxy is ideal for use on metal, plastic, PVC, wood, concrete, ceramic, tile, and fiberglass. It's your go-to solution for a wide range of materials. Whether your project is big or small, you can tackle it with confidence. Our heavy-duty epoxy ensures superior performance and the world's strongest bond, every time. What we like. This is the original formula, offering a bond stronger than steel with a massive tensile strength of 5,020 psi. If you're tackling heavy-duty automotive repairs, marine projects, or anything requiring extreme durability and heat resistance up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, this professional-grade option is your best bet. What people say. This stuff is amazing, it has held up to extreme heat and pressure. I have used this product for years and it has never failed me. It is strong and durable. This product is great for repairing metal objects. It is easy to use and dries quickly. Number 3. Liquid Super Glue for Metal, 30G Clear Instant Thick CA Glue. Experience exceptional tensile strength with our metal super glue. It forms high-strength bonds that resist stress and daily vibration, ensuring secure adhesion for demanding tasks. Designed for efficiency, this adhesive sets quickly, allowing for rapid handling and reduced downtime. Its instant bonding properties shorten curing time, perfect for time-sensitive projects. Our thoughtfully designed bottle features a precision tip and airtight cap. This prevents drying and clogging, ensuring it's always ready for instant use and eliminating waste. Achieve accurate placement with the precision tip and thick formula. It stays exactly where applied, preventing drips and ensuring clean, professional quality bonds with reduced mess. Specially formulated for metal, it also bonds plastic, wood, ceramic, glass, rubber, and leather. Its universal compatibility makes it a versatile solution for all your repair needs. What we like. This super glue offers instant bonding for quick, efficient repairs. If you're looking for a fast-drying adhesive for metal, plastic, or ceramic that provides a precise application without mess, this is ideal for intricate DIY crafts and urgent fixes. What people say. This stuff is amazing, it holds up to heat and pressure. I used it to repair a cracked exhaust manifold and it held up great. It's a strong adhesive that bonds metal to metal very well. Number 2. Jb Metal Epoxy Filler 16 ounces. Introducing our self-hardening epoxy putty, perfect for quick fixes without any baking. It's ideal for sealing leaks and mending cracks on various materials. This putty offers exceptional bonding to wood, metal, plastic, and more. It remains durable even in extreme temperatures, from -50 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius. It's the ultimate solution for repairing damaged surfaces, from leaky pipes to cracked tiles and pools. Get a long-lasting finish that won't yellow, crack, or shrink. Beyond repairs, this putty is perfect for sculpting and crafting. Once cured, you can sand, paint, or drill it for endless design possibilities. Just mix equal parts A and B until uniform, then apply to the clean repair area within 30 minutes. It fully cures in 24 hours and can even be used underwater. What we like. This epoxy putty is perfect for repairs even underwater, making it ideal for pools and plumbing leaks. If you need to fill cracks, holes, or irregularities on metal, wood, or tile, and want a versatile material that can also be sculpted, this is your go-to solution for robust repairs. What people say. This stuff is amazing, it holds up to heat and pressure. I used it to repair a cracked exhaust manifold and it worked perfectly. It's a great product for fixing metal parts. Number 1. Jb Weld 8267 SteelStik Epoxy Putty Stick. Meet the revolutionary SteelStik from Jb Weld. It's a hand-mixable, steel-reinforced epoxy putty stick designed to tackle any metal repair. This non-rusting formula quickly repairs or rebuilds anything made of metal. It's even certified safe for contact with potable water. Simply knead the two parts together. It sets in just 5 minutes and fully cures in 1 hour, turning it dark gray. Experience impressive strength with 900 psi lap shear strength. It withstands high temperatures and is resistant to various chemicals when cured. Once cured, you can mold, shape, sand, drill, and even tap it to perfectly fit your needs. It adheres strongly to a wide range of materials including iron, steel, copper, brass, aluminum, bronze, fiberglass, plastic, and PVC. What we like. This epoxy putty stick is hand-mixable and cures in just 1 hour, perfect for quick metal repairs on the go. If you need a non-rusting, chemical-resistant solution that's safe for potable water and can be drilled or tapped after curing, this is excellent for iron, steel, copper, and aluminum projects. What people say. This product is a great adhesive for metal repairs. It forms a strong bond that is resistant to heat and chemicals. The steel-reinforced epoxy cures to a hard, metallic material that can be drilled, tapped, and sanded. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.